HTTP overview. What really happened to allow that web page to appear on your web browser? Imagine that Bob opened his browser. His browser has been configured to automatically ask for web server Laris, default web page, or home page. The general logos look like figure 1.5. Web server Lari, TCP/IP network, web browser Bob. Etap 1. Give me your web page. 2. Here is the file home HTTP. So what really happened? Bob installed request actually asked Larius to send his home page back to Bob. Larius web server software has been configured to know that the default web page is contained in a file called home.html. Bob received the file from Larius and displayed the contents of the file in the Bob web browser window. HTTP protocol mechanisms. Taking a closer look, this example shows how application on its endpoint computer, especially the web browser application and web server application, use a TCP/IP application layer protocol to make the request for a web page and return the contents of the web page. The application used the Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP). HTTP did not exist until Tim Berners-Lee created the first web browser and web server in early 90s. Berners-Lee gave HTTP function to ask for the contents of web pages, especially by giving the web browser the ability to request files from the servers and giving the service a way to return the contents of those files. The overall logic matches what was shown in Figure 1.5. Figure 1.6 shows the same idea but with details specific to HTTP. Note, the full version of most web addresses, also called Uniform Resource Locators (URL), begins with the letters HTTP, which means that HTTP is user transfers their web page. Web server Lari, web browser Bob. 1. Get home HTTP. HTTP header. OK, data home HTTP. 2. 3. Data more or file home HTTP. HTTP get request, HTTP reply, and 1 data only message. To get the web page from Lari and step 1, Bob sends a message with an HTTP header. Generally, protocols use headers as a place to put information used by that protocol. This HTTP header includes the request to get a file. The request typically contains the name of the file, home HTML in this case, or if no file name is mentioned. The web server assumes that Bob wants to default web page. Step 2. In Figure 1.6 shows the response from web server Larius. The message begins with an HTTP header with a return code 200, which means something as simple as OK returned in header. HTTP also defines other return codes so that the server can tell the browser whether the request broken. Here is another example. If you or ever were looking for a web page was not found and received an HTTP 44 not found error, you received an HTTP return code 44. The second message also includes the first part of request file. Step 3. In Figure 1.6 shows another message from web server layer to web browser Bob, but this time without HTTP. The HTTP transferred the data by sending multiple messages. It is a part of the file rather than wasting space by sending repeat HTTP headers That's the same information. This addition message simply omit the header. Thank you for watching.